What's up, YouTube? My name is Lantoya. I am the creator of Doused Beauty, and you guys are now tuned in to Doused Beauty TV. Yes, where hustling ain't dead, you just scared. Let's get into it.
Picture yeah that you fit wait tell them gyal them wine ya them careful. Me a boom it and a catch it on the beat me just a drop it. How me twerk it and a slap it on the gong like me a map it. How me stuck it and a pop it and a wine it and
we are trying to look good, and we are trying to moisturize our skin and stay healthy. If you guys will be using this recipe to sell to your customers, you probably want to make sure that you put plant-based if you're allergic to nuts, because a lot of oils derive from nuts, and a lot of people do have allergies, or however you say it, you know, they're allergic to nuts. So just make sure that you let your client know or your customers know that this product is plant-based, specifically deriving from nuts. My oat oil, so you definitely gonna need to get you some oat oil, because baby, oat oil is definitely good for your hair and your skin, and that's just on that. It's great for dry, damaged skin, so you might want to go ahead and get some of that as well. With the body butter that is specifically tailored for dry skin, i.e. eczema and all of that, I really don't want mine to have much of a scent. If a scent comes from it, I want it to come from my essential oils, but I want it to be very neutral so that the entire family can use it, whether it's mom, dad, brother, sister, baby. Okay, at this point. So once you have all of that, you're gonna head on down to the kitchen, because that's exactly where I'm gonna go. So the number one rule is to protect yourself and to protect your client/customer. So you want to practice a great sanitation, great health practices, and cleanliness. So make sure you cover your hair, make sure you're wearing your gloves, so no cross-contamination or nothing like that. Make sure that you're protecting, your face as much as possible. You don't want to be spitting and talking and putting all that stuff in someone else's product. So that's why I use a face mask. You're also going to want to wear eye protective wear, because if you're going to be adding any color agent into your products, such as like glitters, mica powders, stuff like that, you do not want that type of product to get into your eye, and you definitely don't want the oils to get into your eye. So you want to be as safe as possible, and you want to have the best health and sanitation practices as possible. Okay, y'all already know what's going on in the world, COVID-19. Come on, guys, let's just be safe out here, period.
Alright guys, so for the remainder of this video you probably will not see me. So let's just get into it. So you're going to want to have your bowl. I have a glass bowl. You can use stainless steel. You're going to need to plug up your scale. Okay, so I believe my scale is plugged up. I'm going to go ahead and hit on. You're going to need your mixer, but you're not going to need your mixer right at this current moment. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and change my units to grams. Alright, because you weigh everything out in grams. You change your percentage over to grams. You're also going to want to have your notebook where you keep all of your recipes, formulas, percents, numbers, all that good stuff. You're going to want to have that handy. So I actually do have mine handy, and I'm going to set mine right here.
Alright, so this is the ingredients for my whipped body butter. I use shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, almond oil, vitamin E, oat oil, lavender oil, and tea tree. Now, you're going to want to figure out what your percent is. How much product will you be making? Then you want to convert your percentage into grams, and that will let you know how much or how less you're going to need.
But I have my big boiler, which this is just water that I'm going to pour into my bucket for cleaning purposes for later, which my bucket also has bleach and soap in there. But for right now, you want to have your double boiler. Okay, now I have mine. So you want to go ahead and get all of your products, weigh them all out. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I won't be showing you guys how I do that because that would take me forever. This video will be hella long. So I'm going to go ahead and get my mixtures. I'm going to get everything into my double boiler to melt down.
Alright, y'all, so now that your stuff is in the freezer, you want to let it freeze for about 30 to 40 minutes or longer, depending on however you want to do. I'll be back. In the meantime, between time, while you have that doing what it's doing, you can actually start working on another batch if that's what you're doing. If that's what you want to do, make another batch. you can start cleaning up your station. So now that you take your mixture out of the freezer, it should look something similar to this. I just added my arrowroot, so please never mind that. So the last steps is to add a little bit of arrowroot so that your product won't be as greasy. It's optional, you don't have to. And you're gonna just pull that down like so. Okay. Just get it off the sides and from down under, and you're gonna start. Shoot, I don't even got it plugged up. Lord have mercy. And you're just gonna start it on low.
Alright guys, so at this point I did add my essential oils in there, my lavender oils and my tea tree oils during this process.
Now that you have your whipped body butter, okay, to the right consistency that you want it to be, okay, because this is your product. Okay, now mine's is really fluffy. I wanted mine to be really airy, almost like mousse in a sense, like mousse or icing. Okay, so yeah, and that's exactly what I got, and I'm super stoked about that. Okay, so let's see. So now you want to have you a little Ziploc bag handy. Have you some scissors handy. Have you an extra tall cup, because this is what we're going to use to pour our stuff in. So I'm not going to keep talking and bore y'all. You want to have your clean 8 or 4 ounce jars, however big you want it. So it's 2 ways that you can do this. You can either, get my scissors. You can either take one part, cut the bottom of it off like so. Okay, see that? And you can just put your product in here like such, or you can attach one of these in there. It's all up to you. It's your preference. I'll show you how they look either way. So you're gonna take your cup and you're just gonna put your bag in here like so. Pull this down, because you don't want a whole lot of mess. You know what I'm saying? That's what we don't want, okay? So while your cup is like that, you're gonna just scoop your product. Let me show you guys. So you want to scoop your product. Come on now, product. Stop playing with me. Scoop your product like so. That's all you do. I promise y'all, it's so easy.
I sped up the video on this part because it's self-explanatory. You're just going to fill that cup up, and then you're just going to pour that product or pipe the product into the container. So enjoy. So if you guys have any questions that you guys want me to elaborate on, or something that I didn't cover fully in this video, go ahead and comment down below. Also comment down below, just let me know if you guys would try this recipe or this formula. Also comment down below if you love this video. Go ahead and give me the clapping hand emoji. And if you guys want to shop with me, you can head over to Douse Beauty. on my Instagram and DM me. My website is currently being set up as we speak. So in the meantime, between time, continue. Alright guys, so next is your small tubes. These are my sample sizes compared to my 8-ounce. Okay, you always want to have a contingency for those who just want to try a product out, but without wanting to spend that kind of dough or investment. If you guys are wondering where I purchased these sample jars from, I will be doing a video on that. I will be doing a video on where I purchased all my products from. So please stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications for more videos and continue to enjoy the video. Welcome back. If you lasted this long in the video, give yourselves a round of applause. You might as well go ahead and thumbs this video up. You might as well subscribe. Okay? But I am extremely tired. This has been an all-day chore for me. It's important to master your percentages when formulating or making a recipe, because the more and more you do it, you're gonna see that, oh, okay, 200% recipe only gonna give me 1 or 2 8-ounce jars. Maybe an 800% recipe will give you maybe 5. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna get familiar with the quantity. The bigger the batch is, the more product you'll be able to make. But this is for extreme dry skin. This is my whipped body butter. As you guys can see how I can just do like this and it will not come out. Whipped body butter. And this is for extreme dry skin. I made a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 8-ounce jars. Okay, and it was a 800% formulation. And also with that same batch, I was able to fill up 4 sample size. Okay, so that concludes this video, guys. Let me cut this back on. I just really wanted you guys to be able to see the product in itself. I'm super duper stoked. I'm so proud of myself. And if you guys want to try my whipped body butter, go ahead and head over to my Instagram, to Douse Beauty. And yeah, DM me, because my website is, I'm still working on it. Okay, that's still work in progress. But yeah, DM me if you want to go ahead and purchase and or support your girl, because these products is not cheap, boo-boo. They're not cheap, and I really enjoy what I do and what I bring for you guys. So thank you so much. Again, hustling ain't dead, you just scared. Period. Bye.